everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I want to show you how simple it is to plant peanuts. Now, peanuts are obviously one of the staple agricultural crops here in the Southeast, and I started growing them because I saw farmers near me growing them and thought, well, if they can do it, I can too. One of my favorite seed suppliers is Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. They are based in the Charlottesville, Virginia area, and they have really cool options, including some great varieties of peanuts. And this year I have Carwile's Virginia peanut. And I've got 2 bags, and basically I'm just looking for any open mulch space that I have available so that I can thumb the raw nuts in so they'll grow through the heat of the summer. And then this fall I'll have a super cool, very unique harvest when I pull these out of the ground. So let me give you an up-close view on exactly how easy it is to grow peanuts in your home garden. All right, so this area is a great spot. It gets full sun. It's really good soil. Little dry, but you know, that's just how everything is this season. And basically, the process for planting peanuts is ridiculously simple. So let me dump those out. What you really want to do is just break open the shell. And then in this case, there were 3 nuts in it. And you can either take the nuts out of the shell completely, just like that, or you can leave the nuts in the shell broken in half. In this case, since they came out so easily, I'm just gonna go ahead and plant them. I'm gonna do 1 per hull. And I'm basically gonna spread them out about 1 foot apart. They don't need to be planted super deep. I'm planting them a little deeper than usual just because we're so dry, and I wanna make sure they get enough water. So now I'm just gonna cover it up, just like that. Put the mulch back on, and voila. From one shell, I've got 3 peanuts planted. Now I have all of these to go through. I'm gonna go ahead and use these as a ground cover all through this bed, and probably find some other areas in the garden. Remember, peanuts are a nitrogen fixing legume, so they're a really useful crop to use as a ground cover because they will naturally produce nitrogen for other plants to absorb. Well, I figured I might as well go ahead and put more peanuts here in this bed. These plants are looking really rough, and that's because I just can't keep them wet enough. I water them every day, but not having any rain, I don't know that these peppers and eggplants are gonna make it. But peanuts, being African native, are far better adjusted for the unfortunate summer conditions that we're enduring. High heat, no rain. So I'm feeling pretty good about the decision to incorporate peanuts in some of the beds. And even though I'm a little bit late, I would have liked to have done this maybe 2 weeks ago. It's not too late to plant peanuts. So they really just want hot soil. It's much worse to plant your peanuts too early in the season than to get them planted late. And I'm gonna go ahead and plant this other bag all throughout this bed. So ideally they'll grow as a ground cover, nice and thick. Won't see any open mulch space, and well, maybe in theory they'll help trap some extra moisture as we water this bed, and maybe they'll help give these poor nutrient deprived peppers a little boost of the nitrogen that they desperately need. And because I like a good experiment, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of these into these 100-gallon root pouches because I know they are getting watered well every day, and well, in theory, peanuts should also do well. So, can't hurt. I've literally nothing to lose. And, well, it'll be really fun to see. Hopefully all of this will have germinated by the time I get back from this trip that I leave for tomorrow. And, you know, gives me something to look forward to when I come home. Got peanuts planted, and whole new season ahead. Well, everybody, I hope this video will inspire you to grow some peanuts for yourself. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening.